Hello and welcome to UltraCare PRO YouTube channel. Subscribe to this channel to learn more about UltraCare PRO products and its uses. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate you how you can use Pocket Tense 1.0 device by UltraCare PRO to manage your tennis elbow pain. Tennis elbow is a very common problem that is not only experienced by athletes or sports personnel, but even housewives and people who are working in front of desk for long hours also experience. Tennis elbow basically happens due to repetitive stress or trauma on the forearm muscles. These trauma leads to symptoms of pain, tingling numbness and reduced grip strength. With the help of Pocket Tense 1.0 device, you can not only manage your pain, but you can also do your day-to-day tasks easily. So now let's have a look how you can use Pocket Tense 1.0 device for managing your elbow pain. Let's begin.
In order to take tense therapy at your elbow region, first, you need to take Pocket Tense 1.0 device by UltraCare PRO. This device comes with 4 electrodes, 2 connecting cables, a charging cable and an instruction manual. Refer instruction manual to learn more about the product. For the therapy, the first step is to connect the cables from Pocket Tense 1.0 device by UltraCare PRO to electrodes. Later, you need to place red and white electrode from channel 1 above the elbow joint and red and white electrode from channel 2 below the elbow joint. Once you have placed the electrodes, switch on the device. Select the treatment mode, set the timer and increase the intensity basis your tolerance level. Once the treatment is done, switch off the device and store it back for next use.
So friends, this is how you can use Pocket Tense 1.0 device by UltraCare PRO to deal with your tennis elbow pain. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, make sure to like this video, share this video and don't forget to subscribe to UltraCare PRO channel. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.